At WIS, we believe in providing our workforce with the best tools and processes so that we can create more value for our clients in terms of quality and efficiency. One example is the use of the ECOBOT autonomous scrubber that works alongside service teams at our client sites such as Downtown East, National University of Singapore, and Resort World Sentosa. The ECOBOT greatly improves the productivity of our team by autonomously scrubbing up to 3,000 square meters per hour. This is equivalent to cleaning more than 7 basketball courts in 60 minutes. As you can imagine, we will then be able to deploy our human resources to work on higher value tasks.
E2I supports businesses that make jobs easier, safer and smarter so as to benefit not just the business but also the workers. Through E2I's Inclusive Growth Program or IGP, workers get to do their jobs more efficiently and also earn a higher pay. They also upgrade their skill sets which better prepare them for the future digital workplace.
这个机器很容易用，很好架。小的地方我自己架，大的地方我按个背就可以做其他东西了。我喜欢这个机器。
Robotics is a promising growth area. Such machines are designed to take on repetitive tasks so that we can move on to managing higher value responsibilities. For robots to be accepted on a wider scale, they need to be aesthetically pleasing, and more importantly, they have to convince us that they are safe to have around. For StarHub, we work only with the best in class, and we are happy to have found these qualities in ECOBOT. ECOBOT looks nothing like a cleaning machine. Its design makes it look like a high-tech showcase, which attracts a lot of attention wherever it is deployed. We have also received assurance that ECOBOT's sensors and safety systems are amongst the best, so people and property are in safe hands.